Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to install Snapchat on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Snapchat. You should see it listed in the search results. So tap on it and then confirm it's by Snap Inc. Once you've done that, tap on Get and then confirm using your Apple account password or your Face ID. Once you've confirmed the installation, simply wait for the app to be added onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, tap on Open to launch it. Then from here, you can now choose to log in or sign up if it's your first time. And then you can now start using Snapchat on your iPhone 11. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.